Welcome to this video on online application tool. Exclusively, we will look into WordWall. Myself, D. Darling Jemima, working as an assistant professor from the Department of Computer Science and Engineering from Sri Ramakrishna Engineering College, Coimbatore. So, as we are all in the pandemic situation, most of the classes are handled in the online mode. So, faculty members and students, they may feel bored, they may feel irritated for not answering to the question by the students. So, few things will make them more sleepy, or they may be bored by long lectures. So, how can we make this lectures with more interactive session with more engaged way? So, by using any online applications such as WordWall, Mentimeter, Quizzes, Kahoot, Desmos, and few other applications are available. So when you make use of those online applications during the delivering of lectures or any course sessions, so the students will also be more engaged. They will also be very interactive, and you can also retain the attention span of the students, and you can have 100% participation, completely engaged in the online session. So what are the different applications we have is like WordWall, Mentimeter, Quizzes, Kahoot, Desmos, and few other applications are also there. So in this particular session, we will see about the WordWall. So in WordWall, so the first step is we have to go to this particular link. So https wordwall.net. So you can go to that link. This is exclusively for the faculty or the professors who are handling the session. You can create this particular quiz. So let me just show you from the first step how it is being working in WordWall. So you have two options like login and sign up. If you click sign up, you have to give all your credential details, and you have to give your email address and so on. So if you have your Google account, directly go to sign in with Google account, and I have used my credentials, so you can come up to this page. So far I have not created any activity, so this is my first activity. So it is like create your first activity now. So you can also see some features, tabs like home, features, community, my activities, my results. So in my activity, if you have already created any activity, you can check out the activities here. Since this is the new login, I have not created any activity so on. So first we have to create the activity. So when you just click on create your activity, first activity, you can see here, and there are lots of templates. They are called interactives. Almost 18 interactives are available here, which is of free, and you also have a paid version that is like pro templates, which is we have to upgrade it in order to use all those templates. So basically for our online session, we can make use of this 18 interactives. They have quiz, matchup, random wheel, open the box, group sort, find a match, random cards, matching pairs, missing word, unjumble, anagram, game show quiz, label diagram, word search, true or false, flip tiles, rank order, and maze chase. So most of the students nowadays, they are very much interactive and addicted to games. So how we can make all those things available during the online session, so that they will be more active and they will be more participative. So first let's try to create one such application. So let me just go with random wheel. So this is like you have to spin the wheel, and whatever the question that comes up or pops out, then here the particular student, you can call out by their roll numbers or some random numbers you can call out. They can answer the question. And so this random wheel is like a normal game, as we all have some random wheel games in Amazon, Flipkarts. So the same way you can give. So I'm going to handle the session, the course on intelligent agent. So I'm just giving intelligent agent, and this is my quiz 1. So I'm just making it as quiz 1. So you can give the instruction if you want. So you can add out some text displays that you can say. We will call out by random numbers, and you can even include if you want to give some marks. So you will give +1 marks for those who answer it correctly. So some instructions, or you can post it out here. Okay, and then here where you will add your questions. So those who are using mathematical equations or any mathematical subjects, you can make even use of all those equations and different symbols. So you can see here you will have arrows, mathematical operators, even if you want currency symbols, and all those options are available here. So this is one such advantage of using this tool. Okay. So I have few questions. So first one is a very simple questions, like a direct question. I just want to want them to answer. So my question will be like, what is artificial intelligence? So this is my first question. And if you want to add any images, you can just click on here, and you can even browse any images from here. You can upload it if you want to add any images. So this is the first question, and my second question is like, this is like a true or false question. So this question is like, rational agent is the one. Rational agent is the one who always does the right thing. Okay, so you can just put a question mark, and even you can ask the students whether it is true or false. If they say true, you can ask them why it is true, and if it is false, you can ask them, you can reason out the thing. And again, if I want to add on the third question, so third question is like, I just want them to give an example for agent. Okay, so this will be like, even if here also, if you want to add any images, you can go and add, you can search here. Okay, so based on the search engine, you can upload it. And again, I want to add another question. It's like case study. So even you can give your own case study. So I want to know the environment agent and all those things. So I'm just treating this as case study. So I will ask the students about what is the environment and all those kind of questions. And finally, you can even give a scenario. So you can give a scenario, okay, and ask them to identify whether it is partially observable or fully observable. You can ask questions accordingly. So when you just finish this one, when you finish your questions, what you can do is you can give the option called done. Okay, so when you just give the option done, okay, so it will create like this. Okay, so we have used the template, which is random wheel. Okay, so I have already, this is how it will appear for you. So random wheel, you need not to share anything to your students, so you can just share your screen and you can start the game, being a faculty member or any teaching people. So you can just click on start. Okay, now I have all the 5 questions here. So I have given them random numbers. I will call out by random numbers plus 1 marks for those who answer it correctly. Okay, so these are the instructions that I have given. Or otherwise, if you want to give intelligent agent, directly in that instruction you can write like intelligent. Okay, and now it's the time for you to spin it. Okay, then it will stop somewhere else. So that's the question. So you can go to the WebEx or any online platform that you use. You can just call random numbers and ask them to answer this question. Rational agent is the one who always does the right thing. You can ask them whether it is true or false. If he says true, you can ask someone else why it is true. Okay, so this will be more interactive, and students will also be eagerly waiting what the question they will get it, and they will be more eager to answer the questions. So this is one such feature available in WordWall. Okay, so few of the things that I like to highlight here is you can switch the template. Already you have created using spin the wheel. Suddenly I just want to random wheel. Suddenly if I want to make it as a flip tiles, okay, can I just switch the template? Yeah, obviously you can switch the template from one to another. Now it's been like a so in this particular activity you can make use of this activity. You can just spin it. Okay, so you can randomly call out any numbers and then ask them to answer this question. So give an example for agent. Okay, so this is one such active way of learning with help of this particular online tool, WordWall. So coming to this presentation, you can see here you have matchup, and then this is for internet programming course. We have made use of HTML header and .html li tags and all those things. You can place it in the tile, and then this is what we seen in this particular video. Spin the wheel, and then this is random cards. It's like a rapid fire round. You can just flip the card one by one, and if the students wanted to answer the next question, you can just flip the card and you can shuffle it even. And this is where I have used already, where we can see different cards are available in the deck so that they can spot out the error and find out the output. So this is for open the box. You can just click on the box and then it will flip up. So these kind of questions can be given like showing the picture and asking them what is the output, true or false round, or you can go with the question and then answers will be in form of pictures. You can directly ask questions like examples or something like that. And then you have maze chase. It is like a game, so the picture will be shown here. So we need to answer whether to find out whether it is option A, B or C or D. So you can use accordingly to your course. And this is like crossword puzzle. So if you click on that this one, you can see the question there, and accordingly you can answer it. So pick a word. You have anagrams. You can post a question along with picture. So here the alphabets are jumbled. You can identify the answer. So the basic plan is like you have your own login and an official login. So 10 interactive resources can be created and you can make use of it. Even if you want to create more than 10 interactive resources or activities, you can pay 200 rupees per month and you have unlimited option so that you can create any number of resources that you want. So basically it is like you have 10 interactives. So if you want more than that, if you can use standard as well. Since you'll be learning more about other few applications like Mentimeter, Quizzes, Kahoot, so it is not mandatory that you need to purchase it and make the students engage by using only the WordWall. You can create 10 interactives with WordWall. You can go with Mentimeter, you can go with Kahoot, and then so that you will have a mix of different applications with different UI. So in this video we have seen about WordWall. I hope you will have a very learning enjoyable experience so that your students as well as all the faculty members will get benefited out of it, so that all the 100% participation can be enhanced and attention span of the students will also be increased. So I hope you will use this WordWall and it will be helpful for you. And in the next video we will see more about on Mentimeter, Quizzes and Kahoot. Thank you so much. Until then, bye.